Hello, family. Today, we're going to talk about meal prepping for weight loss and eating healthy on a budget. I know, you're probably thinking, oh great, another lecture about kale and quinoa. But fear not. I promise to make this both informative and entertaining. Here are 10 key points to keep in mind. 1. Portion control. Unless you're a sumo wrestler, you probably don't need to eat as much as you think you do. So, try to portion out your meals in advance to avoid overeating. And if you are a sumo wrestler, well, you do you. 2. Balanced meals. Eating a variety of healthy foods is important, but that doesn't mean you have to eat like a rabbit. Lean protein, whole grains, fruits, and veggies can be delicious too. 3. Smart snacks. Snacking can be a trap, but it doesn't have to be. Try snacking on things that are high in protein and fiber, like nuts and veggies with hummus. And if you do slip up and eat an entire bag of chips, don't worry, we won't tell anyone. 4. Overnight oats. Oatmeal can be boring, but overnight oats are a game changer. Mix some oats, milk, and fruit in a jar, leave it in the fridge overnight, and voila! A delicious and healthy breakfast that takes zero effort. 5. Egg muffins. If you're a fan of breakfast sandwiches, try making egg muffins with spinach and feta. They're easy to make and a great way to sneak in some veggies. 6. Mason jar salads. Yes, mason jars aren't just for hipsters. They're also great for prepping salads with quinoa, chicken, and veggies. And bonus points for feeling like you're eating a fancy, Instagram-worthy lunch. 7. Slow cooker meals. If you're short on time, invest in a slow cooker. Throw in some ingredients in the morning, and by dinner time, you'll have a delicious meal ready to go. Plus, your house will smell amazing. 8. Roasted veggies. Roasting veggies is a game changer. They become caramelized and delicious, and you'll feel like a gourmet chef. Plus, they're a great way to get some extra nutrients. 9. Popcorn with nutritional yeast. If you're looking for a healthy and budget-friendly snack, try popping some popcorn and adding nutritional yeast. It's a cheesy and savory alternative to butter and salt. 10. Cook in bulk. If you're going to cook, you might as well cook a lot. Make a big pot of chili, soup, or stew that you can portion out for several meals. And if you get tired of eating the same thing, just add some hot sauce. For sticking around, you get a bonus. Don't be too hard on yourself. Eating healthy is important, but it's also important to enjoy life. So, if you slip up and eat a cookie, or 12, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. So, there you have it, folks. Meal prepping can be both healthy and fun. And if all else fails, just remember, pizza is technically a vegetable, if it has tomato sauce. Please like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.